How are you handling the energy?
I don't know, man. It might be a little bit much energy.
Oh, what? That was sick. We're number 1. 3. Ah! It's been fun riding with Daniel, even though he's a 2-planker.
Okay, you know what?
What up, Team Buckhouse? We got a gorgeous day. We're at a basin. We still got snow, and we're absolutely gonna send it today. So, enough talking. Let's just get right into it. On that back 3. Ah! Hey, basin, still farming snow. They don't want this thing to end. That's so sick.
Oh my God.
He was falling backwards.
Oh. I was trying to get close to you for that.
Yeah. That's the homie James. He absolutely rips. Daniel, I don't know what I was gonna say. I just been having a bunch of fun. You having fun?
I'm having some fun. I just wish I could hit the snake run better.
Yeah, you know who else wishes they can hit the snake run better? Today's sticker shout out. We got Adam_Hoseman with the white Evolution sticker on the helmet. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. As well as we got Austin Jill, I can't say your last name, with the crazy light sticker on the snowboard. That one sold out. You actually can't get that one anymore. You have a limited edition sticker. Congratulations. But guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or a Roman Wiggle sticker, that's my son Roman. He's super cute when he goes snowboarding, and in order to get him to move by himself, we taught him to say wiggle, and you guys absolutely loved it. It's one of the cutest things on the planet. Wiggle. Wiggle, good job, buddy. So if you want to support his college fund, because 100% of the sale of that sticker will go to his college fund, the Roman Wiggle sticker is now available. But also, if you want to snag any of the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, you guys went off this month on the hoodies and t-shirts, so you guys must be snagging them for this warm weather riding. So thank you to everyone that has snagged the merch. And we have the skier logo in hoodies, t-shirts, and everything. Yeah, so if you're a skier, I got merch for you. The skier is still here. Comment down below, #ski gang. I know Daniel's still here.
#ski gang.
There you go. But guys, if you do snag the merch, make sure you tag me on my Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also follow the Instagram for just bonus extra content. It's how you know where I'm ripping each day, even though I'm kind of only riding a basin because that's what's open. But then we got camp coming up. You're gonna see a bunch of bonus extra stuff from the campers and things like that. So follow the Instagram for that bonus extra content. All right, enough talking, enough plugging. Daniel's got to learn the snake run. We haven't filmed him in it yet because it's so fun. I don't want to give up my run to film Daniel, but Daniel's working on the snake run. Are you? What's your name?
Marco.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah.
For someone to save. I want to tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while.
Let's go. Johnathan in the head with.
Hey, it'll be a good shot.
Dude, that was great.
Go down.
Never be afraid to be the guy to not hit a feature because someone else is on it. It's commendable. Oh! James is trying to jump on this snowball and it's just not happening. We could roll it down a little bit. Yo! Chairlift number 1. We're number 1! Oh! What? That was sick. All right, guys. Nothing's really happening today other than just sheer fun. Like, there's no agenda today. There's no story behind this vlog. We ran into James, which just raised the energy. How are you handling the energy?
I don't know, man. It might be a little bit much energy.
James has a lot of energy. The dude rips. And overall, we're having fun. I know I titled that Breck had like the best snake run, but I was wrong, dude. This upper snake run is like by far the best ever made snake run on Earth, or at least that I've ever rode at a basin, or in Summit County. That snake run is prime time. But yeah, I think we got like dose more in us, and then yeah, I gotta go do other things like work out. I just put my gym together. If you missed the gym build, this is for my recovery, to make sure I can snowboard into my 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s like Tom Brady will with football. And so yeah, check out the gym video right here. It's sick. I'm really hyped to have a place for recovery, because that's an important part of snowboarding that I've never taken serious, and now I will.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. My posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them, know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on and had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy.
Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk through the snake run. Have a crazy idea, and we'll see if Daniel's able to do it. But Daniel's gonna ride down the side of the snake run while we're in the snake run doing a train, and hopefully it looks cool. Daniel just hates skiing without his poles in his hands. So we'll go a little, we'll go slower, Daniel. But yeah, if you just
start down there.
Lights, camera, action, ayy. Smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood, but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. The fam, you a dead man. Jesus, peace on my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah, we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keeping it real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant, but I ain't trying to be dependent. I need money, never ending.
The best part about riding with someone that's as good as James is I never would have threw that today, but you did it. Even though mine was like, meh, I had to throw it.
Oh.
Not the run we wanted to end the park with, but that's okay. Oh, so styly. Hi, dude. Howdy. You're sick? Always love running into you.
Always.
So we're out of here, but I am gonna stop and film a 5 overhyped snowboard gear list video for you guys. If you want to find out 5 pieces of gear that are just overhyped, unneeded, you don't need that, check that video out right there. What a sick day. Sun's out, guns out. Sun's out, gimbal out. I'm actually so happy I don't have to lug the gimbal around anymore. I gave Daniel a gift, but I showed up to the mountain after Daniel, so I literally just placed it on the hood of his car, and it's still there. There it is, Daniel, that's your gift.
Thanks.
Do you know what it is?
I have no idea.
What's in the box?
Eel sauce.
It's hot sauce. Every time I order stickers, they mail me hot sauce because I order so many stickers.
Yeah.
And I don't need any more hot sauce. I literally have 6 bottles of that stuff, and I was like, huh, I'll give it to Daniel. So that's the that's the hot sauce that came with all the Roman stickers. So enjoy your hot sauce, Daniel.
Thank you.
I don't know why I put this in the vlog, but I did. It was fun, Daniel. Don't drink that whole bottle on the way home. And it's been fun riding with Daniel, even though he's a 2-planker.
Okay, you know what?
And like that, another successful A-Basin day in the books. But I didn't realize, mainly until this year, I mean last year I kind of experienced it, what I'm learning with snowboarding is there's a lot of ski resorts that actually stay open pretty late into the summer. I think Mount Baker's still open. Mammoth is like still pushing it despite having a horrible snow year. They're still open. So it's like, dude, there's a lot of places that are like still open. And so around this time of the year next year, we won't be in Colorado. Like, we've kind of beat late season A-Basin to death. And the whole reason why we bought the camper is for around this time of the year to pack up in the camper and roll out. The only reason why we're not doing that this year is because of the baby girl. If you didn't know, I have a daughter due in July. And so having a super pregnant wife, right now it's not a great time to go travel around. And then obviously once the baby's born, we got to give the baby a couple months to kind of become a human, and then we can start traveling and things. We'll probably still do some trips pretty quick after the baby's born. All depends on how mom's feeling and doing and everything like that. But yeah, after next year, no more babies, sending it all the way. 2 kids, 1 camper, 2 dogs, wife, full send. I love the camper life. But with that being said, Team Buckhouse, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, because I want to help you guys become the best snowboarders possible, but also just want to share really fun, awesome days like today with you. Also, if you're my wife. Hey babe, I'm just in the car ending the video. Will they have a vegetarian one? Where am I meeting you today? All right, love you, bye. I don't remember what I was saying. I think I was like, subscribe, like the video, something like that. Anyways, thank you so much for shredding with me today, Team Buckhouse. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, and then more videos because we post daily.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I